Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
Hello everyone, welcome to JK Speech and Hearing Center. So today in this video we will be discussing about who is a audiologist, what does audiologist do, what are the responsibilities of a audiologist. So audiology is a healthcare professional where this course is available in India and abroad for 4 years in bachelor's in audiology and also 2 years master's course for master of audiology and also master of speech language pathology and together. So in bachelor's this is not divided yet. In masters this course will be divided into audiology and speech language pathology in different segments. So in bachelor's what we study is we study about hearing. So people who are having hearing problem, what kind of loss they are having, what is the anatomical structure of audiology and hearing care. So people who are having a hearing problem, what part of the ear is affected. So as ear is divided into three parts, which is external ear, middle ear and inner ear. So this is a study of inner ear and also this is a study of vestibular system and balance. So in audiology, audiologist will be thoroughly understanding about what is the prospectus of hearing loss, what is the consequences of hearing loss and what is the options. So in audiology people will be learning about, so what is audiology for, so hearing systems, hearing loss, hearing aids and also hearing aid repairs and A to Z about hearing. So people usually who is having hearing loss, usually they tend to visit ENT specialists. So in India they are starting now to visit audiologists. So very soon this courses become popular day by day. So we want people to join bachelor's in audiology course, which is available in 4 colleges in Hyderabad and also various colleges in India. So people who are having doctors in audiology or BSc in audiology or masters in audiology, they will be practicing with their own clinics and also they can work in a rehabilitation centers, they can take the academic field and also they can open their independent hearing care systems and also they can work any MNC hospital. So the scope of the audiology is very high. People whoever is done this course, they are always getting jobs and also we prefer people to opt for this field because hearing loss is increasing day by day. WHO estimates reports that more than 7 crore people in India are having hearing loss, but the specialists for the hearing loss are not available for 1% of the population only. So the scope is very high. If anybody, if you come across anyone who is planning to pursue course in audiology after finishing their bachelor's and also masters, they can do this course and also this course will be limited to, bachelor's will be limited to 3 years plus 1 year internship and next is masters. So that will be for 2 years in India. So total 6 years course they will study and then they will open a hearing center. So if anybody wants to know more about audiology and audiology colleges, always you can search for Osmania University website where the colleges listed will be given for Hyderabad. So if you want to know more about hearing related issues and also we are doing all awareness videos, increase the prospectus for audiology and audiology related problems, hearing aids, hearing aid technologies. So please like, subscribe our channel so that people will get more awareness. So thank you so much for patiently listening to us. Thank you.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.